Hi, welcome to Jason's Vegan Kitchen. This next recipe is super quick and really tasty, and it is quick cashew cheese. Hope you enjoy it. Please let me know what you think in the comments. The ingredients are 1 cup of raw unsalted cashews, a half cup of filtered water, a quarter cup of nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of white miso paste, a tablespoon of tamari, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, but lemon juice works great too. Next, you need a high-speed blender, or just soak the cashews for an hour first in water and rinse them. Add a half cup of filtered water to the blender, add your 1 cup of raw unsalted cashews, and add all the other ingredients, so your quarter cup of nutritional yeast, the 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice, tablespoon of tamari or soy sauce, and your teaspoon of white miso paste. And then blend it on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes. It should be nice and smooth. If not, blend it for another 1 or 2 minutes, and then adjust to taste. It's delicious to eat straight away. It's a little warm at this point. If you want to serve it cold or chilled, then you could add 1 or 2 cubes of ice when you're blending. And just store it in an airtight container in the fridge, and it keeps for about a week. I often add a little extra water when I'm blending and store it into a squeeze bottle so that I can easily dress food and make it look delicious just before serving. You can have it cold on bread or crackers, use it as a dip, as a pasta sauce, or even on cooked pizza instead of cheese. So that recipe was for cashew cheese. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.